Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share a quick tutorial on how we can send or withdraw our XRP from our Sologenic DEX and wallet to our coins.ph account. Okay, so we're now logging into our Solo DEX and wallet, and we're just seeing notifications between our Solo DEX and coins.ph. When I recorded this video, XRP was pumping during this day. Okay, so let's just continue the video. Okay, on our landing page for our Solo DEX, we can see here under our assets that we still have 18.06 XRP remaining, okay, on our Solo DEX. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to transfer, or I'm going to send and withdraw some amount of XRP, or a small amount of XRP from the Solo DEX to our coins.ph account. So I'm now switching to my coins.ph account. Okay, we can see here that we only have a small amount of 1 peso and 35 worth of XRP. So what we're going to do is to click on our portfolio and then click on receive crypto. We're going to search for Ripple XRP. For the network, make sure we select Ripple. Anyway, that's the only option that we have for coins.ph when sending and receiving XRP. So once we select XRP, we're gonna be redirected to the receive a crypto page of coins.ph. Okay, what we're wanting to do is to obtain the XRP wallet address from our coins.ph account and paste that to our Solo DEX and wallet. Same goes with the XRP destination tag from our coins.ph going to our Solo DEX. Okay, so we're on the correct network for Ripple on our coins.ph account. Now we're going to switch to our Solo DEX and wallet. Under our assets, we just need to select XRP, and then on the next page, we'll just need to click on the send button on the upper right hand corner. Okay, so we will be presented with the send asset options on our Solo DEX. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to send 16 XRP from our Solo DEX and withdraw and send that to our coins.ph account. Okay, so I also indicated the proper labels between our coins.ph and our Solo DEX for better understanding of our tutorial. Okay, now once we're sure that we're able to enter the correct details, we'll just need to click on continue. On this next page for summary, I would like to highlight the low cost transaction fee when we're withdrawing or sending cryptocurrency from Solo DEX going to another wallet or exchange. Okay, so this is only a fee of 0.401 XRP to complete this transaction. So on our Solo DEX, we just need to slide and confirm, enter our wallet password and confirm sending the asset. It only takes a few seconds. Okay, and just like that, we're able to, and just like that, we're going to receive a prompt that our XRP asset is already sent to the requested XRP wallet address. Okay, so we can click on back to wallet, and then on our landing page, we can see here that from 18 XRP, we only have 2 XRP left on this Solo DEX and wallet. Okay, since we're sending 16 XRP to another wallet, which is our coins.ph. So if we're going to revisit our transaction details, to be more specific, the transaction fee required to complete this request to withdraw XRP from Solo DEX to coins.ph is only 0.40012 XRP. Okay, so if you want to view more detailed information about any transaction from our Solo DEX and wallet, you can check the details under each transaction on the XRP ledger. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is to check the price action of XRP on the actual date and time of this recording when I performed the transaction, and we can see here that 1 XRP is equal to 141.04 pesos, and XRP is up by 15.8% at the time of this recording. So what I did is to compute how much in Philippine peso is the transaction fee, and we can see here that it only cost less than 1 cents in Philippine peso, okay? 0.00169 Philippine peso when sending a transaction from Solodex and wallet going to another wallet, okay? In our example, that's coins.ph. So we can only imagine how affordable and low cost any transactions are done within the XRP ledger and blockchain, okay? So this is really one of the evident use case for XRP when it comes to payment settlement, okay? So I went back to my coins.ph account, and only in a matter of seconds, we can see here that we really received our XRP. We now have a total of 2,265.83 Philippine pesos on our coins.ph account. And we can see here on our XRP portfolio that we really received XRP, okay? So during the time of this recording, 16 XRP is equal to 2,266.83 pesos, okay? So what I also did is to sell my XRP to the Philippine standard stablecoin, which is a peso, on our coins.ph account, okay? So for our coins.ph account, they have already integrated Coins Pro, wherein it only requires lower transaction fees when we're trading cryptocurrency, okay, on our coins.ph account. So basically what I simply did here is to sell the whole amount of XRP that I have with the actual market price, and the order is filled automatically. And when I check the history on our Coins Pro, we can see here that we're able to sell 16 XRP at a market price of 141.16 pesos per XRP, okay? So if we're going to go back to our coins.ph account homepage, we have a total of 2,251.79 Philippine peso, which we can withdraw to any other wallets, for example GCash, or to whichever wallet it will serve us best, okay? Or we also have an option to maintain or keep or even store a cryptocurrency on our coins.ph account. Okay, so if we're going to click on our peso stable coin on coins.ph, we can see here that the transaction is successful. And another thing we need to highlight is the amount of fee required when we're selling cryptocurrency using the Coins Pro feature on coins.ph, okay? So remember, a while ago, I have my XRP transferred from Solodex to coins.ph. So when I received my XRP on coins.ph, I sold it right away so that I can maximize the positive price action of the market. Okay, so we can see here that from a spot trade amount of 2,258.56 pesos, it only cost around 6.77 pesos in order to sell my 16 XRP to an amount of 2,251.79 Philippine pesos, okay? So for additional information, I am able to complete this transaction on the exact date and time, last January 2, 2025 at 8:28 a.m. Manila time, okay?